Students, we are given this question, represent the complex number -1, -i in polar form. So foremost, what we will do is we will take -1, -i to be equal to r times cos theta positive I times sin theta. Now clearly r is equal to root of -1 raised to the power 2 positive. The coefficient of -i is -1 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 1 positive 1, which is equal to root 2. So the value of r is root 2. So you box that. Now next you will have to find alpha. Alpha is tan inverse of y over x, where x is equal to -1 and y is equal to -1. So therefore alpha is tan inverse of -1 divided by -1. Okay, so this goes within the modulus. So you are going to be getting tan inverse of 1. Okay, but tan inverse of 1 is going to be pi over 4. So this is my alpha. Now after you obtain this, you have to study, okay, about -1, -i. Since the given complex number z is -1, -i, -1 will be somewhere over here, -i will be somewhere over here. Okay, so if you were to plot the point, so this will be the plot, this will be the point. So this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. So clearly, what do you see? -1, -i is in the third quadrant. Okay, so this means my theta is going to be equal to alpha negative pi, which is equal to alpha is pi over 4 negative pi. This is going to give me pi minus 4 pi divided by 4, which is negative 3 pi divided by 4. So this is what I've got. So therefore the required complex number is r is root of 2 times cos of negative 3 pi divided by 4 positive I times sine of negative 3 pi divided by 4. This is what I've got. Now I can further rewrite this as root of 2 times cos is an even function, so it's going to be cos of 3 pi divided by 4. This is sine is an odd function, so negative I of sine 3 pi divided by 4. So this is what you've got, but this is not the final answer. So to write the final answer, you have to state this complex number negative, therefore -1 -i is equal to root of 2 times cos of, now you have to add 2n pi positive 3 pi over 4 to this, negative I times sine of 2n pi positive 3 pi over 4. So this covers all the values, okay, where the value of n is an element of integers. So this is the final answer to the question.